guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is not a beauty or a hair video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to add a beautiful text to your Phonto. So first we are going to go into Safari. So after you're going to Safari, you're going to write in dafont.com, and this is what it's going to look like. So you have all the different types of styles in which you can use for your text, for your intros, for everything. So my favorite one is, I am going to go under script. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, and I'm going to choose calligraphy. Now here are all my favorites. There it is. So this is how you're going to download it. At the far right, you're going to see the box that says download. I'm just looking for the one that I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to use Birds of Paradise, and I'm going to click download. This is going to pop up on the screen. You're going to click download. At the top right section, you're going to see that arrow down. You're going to click on it, and you're going to hold down on the download, and it's going to bring you straight to your files. Now after it brings you to your files, you're going to click on it, then you're going to click share. You're going to search for a copy to Phonto, and then it's going to bring you exactly into Phonto. That I had to do. So there it is. So you're going to click install. You're going to click on the camera button, plain images. I'm going to use black, and I'm going to click the arrow at the top, and I'm going to use. You're just going to click on that now, and you're going to add your text, and I'm just going to write my name, Kellz Buzz. Okay, so after I'm slowly writing that in, okay, here it is. I'm going to click on font, and at the bottom you can see there's two areas, my font and font. So fonts are the regular one that is loaded on it, and my font is the one that you bring over from your files in which you had downloaded from dafont.com. So here's the style, and this is one of my favorite. I don't know, I love it so much. I'm going to click on stroke, and I'm going to add a layout to it. I'm thinking red because it's already black, so it doesn't need a black stroke. And I'm just going to increase the width. I also decided that I am going to add some shadow to it. I thought that this looked a bit dull, so I decided, okay, let's change the color of the text, and I'm going to change the color of the text to yellow. The B says buzz. So anyways guys, so there is the finished look. It is simple, and it's just another style. You can download any style that you want. It's full. You can download them all and add them to Phonto. So thanks for watching guys, and I would just want to say thanks for the continuous support, and if this is your first time, please, I'm asking you to help me and to click the subscribe button.